Verb tense is crucial in expressing the timing of events or actions in writing. English has 12 different tenses, each with its unique meaning. Let's explore the significance of each verb tense. The simple present tense is used to express habits or actions that occur regularly. Adverbs like often and never are commonly used with this tense. For example, she goes to work every day. This tense also conveys general truths or facts that remain constant over time, such as snow falls in December in Minnesota, or water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The present continuous tense describes actions happening right now. It's used for activities that have started and are still in progress, like, she is typing a paper for her class. This tense can also describe temporary actions occurring in the present, such as, John is living in Modesto, but he might move soon. The simple past tense indicates when an action or event occurred in the past, like, I visited my sister yesterday. It shows completed actions. This tense is used for actions that were completed and are no longer true, such as, I attended MJC in 1998. It reflects past habits or events. The past continuous tense describes activities that were ongoing at a specific time in the past, emphasizing the duration, like, I was studying for an exam while my mother was cooking dinner. Often used with the simple past, the past continuous shows one action in progress when another occurred, such as, I was taking a bath when the doorbell rang. The present perfect tense talks about events that began in the past and continue to the present, like, he has lived in Modesto for 2 years. This tense is also used for events completed in the past without specifying the time, such as, I have seen that movie before. Used to describe the duration of actions that began in the past and continue into the present, like, he has been studying grammar for an hour. This tense describes events that have been in progress recently and are temporary, such as, she has been living in Taiwan for the last 2 months. The past perfect tense describes events completed before another past event, like, the Titanic had received many warnings before it hit the iceberg. This tense emphasizes the duration of an action completed before another past event, such as, she had been driving around the city for 3 hours before she found the right office. Will and be going to are used to describe future actions, like, Thomas will graduate in June. They indicate planned or expected future events. The simple present and present continuous can express future time, often in connection with schedules, like, she is meeting a new client at 11 o'clock. The future continuous tense describes actions that will occur over a period at a specific future time, such as, I will be teaching ESL 40 at 10 a.m. tomorrow. This tense describes actions that will be completed before another future event, like, we will have finished the exam by the time class ends tomorrow. The future perfect continuous tense describes actions in progress for a duration before another future event, such as, by the time he finishes law school, we will have been living in the US for 8 years.